Well, this is the first time we've been able to get out. This is going to be another computer shop.
Yeah.
There's about 4 on this street when this is all sorted, isn't there?
Yeah, I'm alright now. How are you?
I'm not feeling so good.
How about Matthew? Are you alright, Matthew?
I think so.
Huh? Hello.
So this is the first time we've been able to get out, really.
Yeah. And before that, I want to thank you to Kevin. You remember Kevin?
Kevin?
The one who gave to us a Christmas card for the Starbucks.
Ah, yeah, Kevin, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. And then also to our angel, Bill. Hello.
To our
Thank
angel
you.
Bill. Yes, thanks
Thank
Bill
you.
for our Christmas present. And thanks Robert for our Christmas present.
Ice down now, ice.
You know who you are.
Oh, your friend. Hey! You!
So, we're...
We will buy whole supermarket in Naga City.
What?
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
We'll buy all the things inside the supermarket. I'll just give my promise to you when my package comes.
Cool.
So it's great.
Okay.
Look, Mani. New haircut, Mani. New haircut.
Monet's had a haircut shorter.
Yeah, her hair is like me.
No, her hair wasn't as long as yours.
Yeah? So it's longer than to me?
It was, until she had it cut. So we're venturing out today because we're going to get the kids some candies for Christmas.
Candies for Christmas?
And we're going to look at the new markets. Is it Market Square? What's it called?
Grandmaster Mall.
Grandmaster Mall. Yeah, there's a new one just opened, so we're going to have a look at that one. That's if we can get a Pajak to take us into Centro.
Where's Kiana? I thought they will come to us. Where's Kiana?
I don't know.
Ano si Kiana?
Kelly and Kiana was supposed to be coming, two girls. Again, the family. Kelly's Mel's niece.
You see the dog, oh? Very cute dog. You're holding the dog.
It's a bit of a strange, it feels a strange day today. I know that's a silly statement, but it just feels a bit weird.
You feel Santa Claus? Chris?
Huh?
On Christmas Day?
No, I'll feel Santa Claus when it starts to snow.
It is only a snow here.
Yeah.
Up your snowman. You feel like a snowman.
Yeah. No Pajaks.
Yeah, they're getting rice at the city.
Huh?
Daily food.
There's a Pajak coming, Mo.
Before, they are eating bulgur.
Yeah?
Did you taste that already? Bulgur. Sometimes I try to get, then I try to cook it like a rice. Then I give it to the dog. Those one who give it to me, then they told me, are you eating it or you're giving to the dog?
Right, there was lots of strong opinions about our friend who got his money stolen. along with a lot of money he actually gave of his own free will. Right, sorry about that. A young lady got into the trike and it wouldn't be fair to have her on video, so I had to stop videoing. So yeah, some very strong opinions about my friend in his situation, but we can say with 100% certainty that the little girl is his, even looks like him. The dates fit in with when he was here last, etc. So we don't have to get a paternity test, but I understand the comments, and I think if I'd have been in that position I probably would have had one done. Ba, ba, ba. But like I say, in his case it's not necessary. He doesn't think so either. I think if there was any kind of suspicion he would have had one done, because regardless of the comments, he's not stupid, and kindness doesn't run along the same lines of stupidity as many unkind people have put. And I've let them comments stand, not deleted them, which I would usually do. So like we said, this is the first day Mel's felt well enough to come out, and I've started to feel unwell again. I can't win. So we're going to have a look at this new store. What's it called again, Mel?
Grandmaster Mall.
Grandmaster Mall. So this has only just been built. Just what we need, another store in Naga, opposite Pure Gold. So it's a holiday for the kids at the moment, isn't it, Mel? They're not at school.
They will come back January 3, I think.
Oh. So, what's cheap in Naga? Clothes are cheap in Naga. Rent's not cheap in Naga. Food's not very cheap in Naga, unless you...
Fare also, it's cheap. 5 pesos inside car, right? 5 pesos inside
For the
car.
pajak?
No, for the motor.
Do you know what? I wish I hadn't shown her that. So, travelling round on a jeepney is about 15 pesos around Naga. If you go into a pajak, it's about 5 pesos each. What's the trike, Mel?
8 pesos.
8 pesos, isn't it?
Even the jeep, 8 pesos also.
So always remember here, don't ask how much, because if you ask, they'll overcharge you because they know you don't know.
Yeah, and also
So let's go and have a look in here. I don't think I'll be able to have the camera on, but we'll have a look.
High quality standards, up to 80% back on savings.
So what we're going to do is Mel's thinking of doing 100 ice candies for the kids.
I already did.
You've done it? And we're going to get some candy to give the kids. Being as it's Christmas, it's allowed. Yeah?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, there we go then. So this is inside the new Master Square. It's a wonder Matthew's not crying, isn't it? Let's have a look how much the bicycles are, Mel.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into